Hello students, welcome to digital class of Mallareddy Memorial School. Today we are going to learn the topic from sound, that is vibrating bodies produce sound. Now in this picture we are going to observing vibrations of bell when it is producing sound. For this take a brass bell, ring the bell and listen to the sound carefully. Now hold the bell tightly with your hand and ring it again. So do you hear sound from the bell? When we hold the bell tightly, do we hear sound from the bell? Yes, but slightly. So is there any change in the sound produced in two situations? Yes. In the second case, the sound is feeble. What do your hands feel when bell is ringing? So when the bell is ringing, the hand vibrates. Now, up to now we are holding the bell tightly. Now remove your hand and ring it again. Do you hear any different sound? Why? As the vibrations are transmitted to hand and bell is not properly vibrating, it produces a feeble sound. Yes? So once the hand is removed, bell rings properly and sound becomes louder. So when we are holding the bell tightly, there we observe the sound as a feeble sound. So once the hand is removed, bell rings properly and sound becomes louder. Now take a empty matchbox and one rubber band. So fix a rubber band tightly on an empty matchbox. So plug the rubber band and keep it close to your ear. So like this we have to plug the rubber band. So immediately we have to keep it close to our ear. You can see here in this picture. So what we will observe? So do you hear any sound? Do you feel any vibration in your hands? Yes. We hear a sound, we felt the vibration. Yes, when we plug the rubber band and when we keep it to our close to our ear, then we heard some sound and we felt the vibration. Now take another example. So blow air into papers. We have to take one book or some papers. Into that papers we have to blow the air. So is there any change while blowing the air into papers? So what happens? Does the action produce any sound? Do you find any vibrations in the notebook? Yes, it produces sound and we found vibrations in the notebook. Okay, so there also when the person blow the air into papers or into notebook, there it produces sound and vibrations will happen in the book. Now take the another example. For this we need to take one plate, a spoon and water. So fill a plate with water and let the water settle. Okay, so once the water settle, strike the rim of the plate with a spoon. You can see in this picture the person is he strike the rim of the plate with the spoon. So here what do you observe? What do you hear? Where do you find vibrations in this case? So here we hear a sound What do you observe means we hear the sound. The vibrations are found in plate as well as in water. Yes, we observe the vibrations in both the plate and water, and we hear some sound when we strike the rim of the plate. Now take the another example that put a hacksaw blade in between table and a brick. You can see here we are taken hand, you are observing the person hand. Otherwise we can also take any book or a brick also and press it and leave it abruptly. So here you can see in the first case the scale is 4 inches, next to the increases, and here increases 6 inches and 11 inches. So every time we are increasing the size of the scale, and here we are pressing it and leave it abruptly. So what is the change? What happens here? Does it produce sound? What is the state of the hacksaw blade while it is producing sound? Yes, we can say that it is also produces sound. The blade is vibrating. You can see in this picture, the scale is vibrates like this. Yes. So it is also produces sound and the blade is vibrating. So what have you observed while doing this above activities? So we will observe all of them produces sound. So what changes took place in those objects? So these objects are vibrate while producing sound. In each and every example we observe the sound and vibration. Yes, so these objects are vibrate while producing sound. But there are certain instruments which producing sound, though we cannot see any vibrations. In the instruments like in flute and clarinet. Yes, so there will observe the producing of sound, but we cannot see any vibrations in like that instruments. So how do they produce sound? They produce sound due to vibrations of air column. Okay. So it is possible to produce sound without vibrations? Obviously we can say that no, it is not possible to produce sound without vibration. Okay. So in flute and clarinet they produce sound due to vibrations of air column. So there is no possible to produce sound without vibration. So does every vibrating body produces sound? You can say that yes, every vibrating body produces sound. Does sound has energy? Yes, sound has energy.